In today's lesson, students will learn more about how bones and other organic materials become fossilized. Have students make 3 mixtures. Combine and stir each mixture well. 1 1/4 cup of sugar to 1/2 cup of hot water. 2 1/4 cup of salt to 1/2 cup of hot water. For number 3, we apologize for an error in the text. Number 3 should read 1/4 cup of plaster of Paris to 1/2 cup of cold water, not 1 tablespoon of plaster of Paris. The student should label 3 foam trays as sugar, salt, and plaster. Place a sponge in each tray. Pour the sugar mixture very slowly over the first sponge. Do not let it puddle too much in the tray, but wait for it to seep through the sponge. Repeat this process for the other 2 trays. Observe the 3 trays throughout the next week. The students will notice how the sponge has hardened in each tray. An abundance of fossilized materials in a water solution must be present in order for fossils to form. The sugar and salt solution contained some crystals, but the sponges did not get as hard as the one put in plaster. Students will obtain chicken bones. The bones should be a set of 2 types. Prepare and label 2 containers in which the bones will be placed for the next week. 1 container, vinegar, and 1 container, a mixture of both water and baking soda. Students will place 1 set of bones in the vinegar, taking care to completely cover the bone with vinegar. And place the other set of bones in the water and soda mixture, taking care that they are both covered with the liquid. They will observe the bones for the next week. At the end of the week, they should remove the bones and wash them. They should observe how flexible they have become by attempting to tie them into a knot. Finally, have them sit in the air for another day, observing again. Note that they are no longer flexible as they were before. Note that the bones soaked in vinegar became very soft and flexible. But note that a possible outcome for the bone soaked in baking powder is that it remains unchanged.